Good morning, lovelies. This morning is product review and I am reviewing this muesli. And one of the things that distresses me when I walk down aisles that I don't ever have to walk down is see all of the products that you are bombarded with and products that claim to be healthy. So this product here claims to have a probiotic in it. It has Manuka honey. It is a voted product of the year, and it has a 4-star rating. I mean, surely this must be good. For starters, that star rating is a joke. When something like Milo Flakes can have a star rating, then you know that something is seriously wrong. And I will do a live and talk about that star rating because it's basically industry driven and financed, and they are able to tweak their products and get it over the line and get this star rating to, basically because their bottom line is not your health, is money. So what about this particular product? Well, as I alluded to, it has, it tells you that it's got some probiotics in it, so it must be good, right? Well, when you have a closer look at it, let me just find the little bit. The probiotics, the little drop in the ocean of probiotics is actually in this tiny little piece of chocolate. Yes, chocolate for breakfast. So this little piece of chocolate, there's lots of them in there, has your probiotic in it. It's compound chocolate, no less. And I think when I read the ingredients, it was of just this chocolate alone, it was sugar and invert sugar and glycerol and yeah, I've got it in above. I'll put it in above. So really, chocolate. And then the Manuka honey. Well, surely it must be good if it's got Manuka honey in it. I mean, that's just so healthy. But this is what it comes in when you have a look. What's this? Oh, this is a little piece of apple puree. Exactly, Michelle. Apple puree and pear puree and more sugar and a tiny little drop in the ocean of Manuka honey. So, but this is lollies. This is like a dube. So this award-winning muesli is full of chocolate and lollies for breakfast. Now, let's talk about the clincher. How much does it cost? It is exorbitant, people. $7.30 for 400 grams. $7.40. I can buy a bag of rolled oats for $1.40 for 750 grams. So this muesli turns out to be $1.83 for 100 grams. When you look at rolled oats, they are 19 cents for 100 grams. Seriously. So I'm just flabbergasted at, the price and the all the ingredients on the back of here. I mean, there's probably over nearly 100 ingredients. Who would want to put that stuff in their body? But to be fair, it sounds like it's a great product if you believe what they've written on the packet. So I really encourage you to experiment with different ways of doing rolled oats. There are so many. You don't have to cook rolled oats and have the standard hot porridge. You can soak oats in water with a handful of raisins overnight, and the next morning you will be surprised at how delicious it is. The water's gone all milky, it's gone all sweet because of the raisins, so you've got some wonderful fiber, you've got some iron from the raisins, you've got the sweetness, you've got the goodness. The other thing about these products that is really disappointing is that there's about 16 grams of fat and 15 grams of sugar per 100 grams in these products. So they are not a healthy product. Just good old-fashioned rolled oats and some fruit. Soak it overnight, add your own sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds or flax seeds. You can get creative. I get creative and I actually blend up a banana with a stick of celery with some water, add my oats to that with some flax seeds. If I've got it, I might put some fresh mint in there or some muesli. So there are just hundreds of different ways that you can get creative with a packet of oats, which is only going to cost you $1.40 for 750 grams, and be way more healthier for you than a really expensive product. And this is where we can, this is why people think that eating healthy is expensive when it's not. So I hope that helps. Please put your comments below, and I look forward to seeing you soon.